Hey guys, in 2025, Salesforce users are turning their CRM data into revenue assets using smarter automation, analytics, and data partnerships. For step 1, leverage Data Cloud. Use Salesforce Data Cloud in Genie to unify first-party data and identify hidden buying patterns. Step 2, build a predictive segment. Create AI-driven customer segments that can be monetized via targeted campaigns or external partnerships. Step 3, offer insights as a service. Package your anonymized data insights like customer trends or purchase behavior for strategic partners. Step 4, integrate with ad platforms. Use Salesforce Marketing Cloud to sync CRM segments with Meta, Google, or LinkedIn ads, monetizing through better targeting efficiency. Step 5, protect compliance. Always anonymize personal data and comply with GDPR and CCPA when monetizing insights. Your CRM isn't just a database anymore. It's a data asset that can generate recurring revenue when managed strategically. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.